Don't jump. Oh my gosh, it's a monster. It's a monster. No, no. Got him. Yes. Woo. Yes. I have figured him out. Yes. Yes. All right, guys, I'm about to go to my favorite pond. And if you watch my channel, you probably see me catch a lot of big fish out there. And you know, there's big fish in there, but the winter time, it's just the code I haven't been able to crack. So really tough. And I want to get one of those big winter 10 pounders. Go give it a try. If that doesn't work out, we're gonna get some fish on camera. I'll go to another pond where the numbers are, and I also will have a chance to catch big ones in there, but probably just not quite as big, because this pond has pretty much full strain Florida bass in it, and they get humongous. There's just a lot of cover in there, and it's tough to figure them out in the winter time, so let's go give it a try. All right, guys, I'm about to try this Jigzilla. I think that's what it's called. It's a huge flipping jig into the structure. It's so windy out here. I know this audio sounds terrible. Guys, you probably couldn't even understand what I was saying because it is so windy out here. And it is so windy and cold that I'm a little bit miserable. Alright guys, something's telling me to go to this other pond. I'm gonna do that right now. Let's go catch some fish. Big bass Blake! Now what I'm gonna try to do is keep walking around this bank and see if I can spot where the fish are. And if I keep getting constant bites, I'll probably set up my other camera so I can have double angles, make a better quality video. Well, let's just try to catch fish for now. Got him. Got him. Nice one. First one of the day, boys, and it's a good one. 3.5 pounds right out the bat. Let's go. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful bass. Get him in the right direction. Boom. Whew. Let's go, guys. Finally got one. Got this little guy on the drop shot. I must have went 2 hours without bite. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may go back to the other pond and strictly throw swim baits, but let's keep going with this drop shot and see what happens. Oh, I just got bit again. This thing's definitely getting bit. I know that. Oh, God. Got bit 3 times on this. Must be the little ones. So try the smaller swim bait, see if that will get bit. If this one gets bit, they're gonna get hooked. Got him! Got him! Yes! That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Guys, he crushed that 5-inch Savage Gear swim bait. Jeez Louise. Guys, look at that. Crushed that swim bait. Whew. Not bad. Here's a bite. Got him. Dang, they're liking this swim bait. That's a good one. That's a good one. Don't jump. Oh my gosh, it's a monster. It's a monster. It's a monster. Play him good. Play him good. It's a monster. Play him good. Play him good. It's a monster. Oh my gosh. It is a monster. I mean, yes. Yes. No, no. Got him. Yes. Woo. Yes. I have figured him out. Yes. 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 Guys, I figured him out. Look at this big boy. Look at that thing. Whew. Yes, sir. I'll tell you how I caught him in a second. Let me release this beast. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, guys, I start throwing this little Savage Gear 5-inch swim bait, and all of a sudden they're starting to bite for me. Guys, and that was rough. 4 fish, 1 on the lipless, 1 on the shimmer shad drop shot, and then finally I figured out a little pattern with the swim bait. First I threw a 7-inch swim bait, and I could tell it was getting nipped at. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to put on the 5-inch, have one completely choke it, little one. Then I caught that big one. I could call it quits. I'm going to go try another pond for a little bit. If I get skunked over there, that's the end of the video. So stay tuned, or thanks for watching. I'm not sure. There's one. Got him. Yes. Oh, he came off. This swim bait is working. I just got bit over here, which has been tough as hell. Oh my gosh.
Big bass blank. Big bass blank. Big bass blank.
Yes, sir.